All right, here is on 2 examples of how to calculate the volume of objects. So if it's an irregular solid, so it's a kind of a strange shape, maybe it's not something you can measure with a ruler, or a regular solid, which could be a square, rectangular prism, sphere, cone, anything that can be measured with kind of a ruler, and you could use calculations to figure it out. And this irregular solid, you need the graduated cylinder. So if we start with the initial volume in red, so that's 19 milliliters in the first one, and then we find that we put that silver object in, and our final volume is 29 milliliters. So that means it increased by however many milliliters when the object was put in. So then you take the final volume minus the initial volume, so 29 minus 19, and that's going to give you the volume of the object. So that would be 10 milliliters, which is equivalent to 10 cubic centimeters of space that it takes up. So it's a quick little subtraction problem of both of the volumes that you find to get the volume of the object. With something like this cube over here, or I guess it's more of a rectangular prism because there's one side that's a little different. You have the formula volume equals length times width times height, which is something that you may have learned in math class already, but it's also used in science. In this case, we're measuring in meters. So we have 3 sides, 6 meters, 6 meters, and 8 meters. So all you do is you take those numbers and you substitute them into the equation. So it would be V equals L times W times H. Volume equals length times width times height. You substitute in those numbers. V equals 6 times 6 times 8. You type it into the calculator, and voila, you get 288, and the units for that would be meters cubed. So that's how much space that cube takes up. That's how you calculate volume of irregular and regular solids.